Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and these slippers from EverFoams are the comfiest slippers I've ever owned. I work from home most days and live in a basement apartment, which feels like the carpet is directly on the concrete, and the cushion in these slippers have really made a difference as to how my feet feel at the end of the day. They're really easy to put on, and I love the back because my feet are not slipping out of them as I'm walking around. I literally change from my shoes into these slippers and I wear them the entire time I'm at home. My feet are always cold, but as soon as I put these on, they warm up immediately. I love the rubber bottoms on these because when I need to take my dog out, I can walk directly out on the patio with them still on. They're really beautiful too. I have these in the dark aubergine and I love the color and I just love the whole style of the slipper. When I go over to someone's house that I know they don't wear shoes, I bring these with me because they look that nice. I think they would make a really beautiful gift for someone too. I know I would be very happy to receive these. So if you're looking for a nice cozy slipper for you or someone else, I think you're going to love these EverFoams. I really do. And that's my point of view.